Are you looking to write cold emails that actually get replies? You're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use AI tools to make your cold emails stand out and increase your chances of getting responses. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a way for you to access an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend for this process. Let's jump right in. First off, the key to writing cold emails that get replies is personalization. You can't just send generic messages. That's where AI comes in. AI tools help you personalize your emails at scale, which saves you time while also making the emails feel more tailored to each recipient. With AI, you can instantly gather relevant information about the person you're emailing, from their job role to recent activities or posts. Now, let's talk about how you can use AI to find that perfect subject line. The subject line is the first thing a recipient sees, so it needs to grab their attention immediately. Our software allows you to generate subject lines based on the tone and urgency you want to convey. This means you can choose between a more formal or casual approach, depending on your target audience. Play around with the AI until you find a subject line that feels right. Once the subject line is nailed down, it's time to focus on the body of the email. The key here is clarity and value. AI tools can help you craft concise, compelling emails that highlight exactly what you're offering and why it's valuable to the recipient. They can analyze successful email patterns and optimize your message for clarity and engagement. To go further, AI can help you with follow-up emails. One mistake many people make is not following up, which is often when you'll get a reply. AI can suggest follow-up email templates that are polite, yet persuasive. It even helps you schedule them at the right intervals, so you don't bombard your prospects, but stay on their radar. Here's an exclusive tip. Make sure your email has a clear call to action. You'd be surprised how many cold emails fail because the recipient doesn't know what to do next. Whether it's scheduling a meeting, replying to the email, or visiting your website, the AI tool we'll be using helps you create an action-driven email that guides your recipient towards that next step. Now, to sum up the key takeaways, first, personalize your cold emails using AI to boost your chances of getting a reply. Second, create a compelling subject line with the help of AI. Third, make sure the body of your email is clear, concise, and valuable. Fourth, automate follow-ups with the AI tool. And lastly, always have a clear call to action. Before I close, don't forget to check the description below for an exclusive free trial of the software we've been using. This offer is only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it and start writing cold emails that get replies. That's it. You now have the tools to write cold emails that stand out and get noticed. Happy emailing.